Let's learn about bubble sort. Bubble sort is a comparison-based algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and then swaps them if they're in the wrong order. If the current element is greater than the next element, you will swap them. If the current element is less than the next element, then they will stay the same. This process will be repeated until all elements in the array are sorted. Step 1. Compare 5 to 3. Since 5 is greater than 3, we will swap them. Step 2. Since 5 is smaller than 8, we will remain the same and move on to the next element. After step 4, you reach the end of the list with 8 being the last element. The for loop will repeat starting from the beginning of the list with 3 being the first element. This process repeats 12 times until we get the final sorted array with Now let's check out how to implement this using Python. First, we will find the length of the array. Then, we will create a nested for loop to check the elements and compare them with each other. Then, you need to write an if statement to compare the first element to the second element. If the element is larger than the second element, then you will swap them. To handle instances where an item is not swapped, you want to create another if statement to break the loop when that occurs. Now let's test out an example and see how it runs. As you can see, the array was sorted in increasing order. If you like this video, check out my other videos or go to my website at WebDevsNest.com.